Because you have filmmaker, they've got this wide toolbox that they have to use to evoke an emotional response from their audience, right? They've got cinematography, they've got sound, they've got performance, they've got story. I mean, even look in the context of cinematography, all that they can do. Come here. Let's take framing, for instance. You can frame a shot like this. Feels very lonely. Feels one way, right? Or you can frame a shot like this. Feels something very different, don't you? Let's take, for instance, color. You can color a shot like this, and it evokes one emotion, or you can color a shot like this, and it evokes something very different. Ugh. Let's take lighting, for instance. You can light a shot like this, and you feel one way, or you could light a shot like this, and you feel something very different. All of these are within the filmmaker's toolbox. You know, as designers, we have just as wide a toolbox as a filmmaker has. We have layout, we have color, we have image, we have type. I mean, even in the context of just layout, we have relationship and scale and size and hierarchy. We have the environment that our design plays in. And those are all just the visual tools with which we can evoke emotion. There are 4 other senses that we as designers, we rarely use. Design isn't just a visual medium. Even if we're dealing with sort of your traditional print design, there are technologies that allow us to bring sound into a printed environment and the role that sound plays in our emotional resonance. You can have the tactile nature of the thing that it's printed on, like the paper or the wall environment. All of that tactile nature of it plays in the way that we communicate emotionally. You can have something have scent or smell to it. I mean, scratch and sniff's been around forever, right? We can use that as a tool to be able to evoke emotion. You could even have taste. Now, I'm not sure how viable taste is in the context of a design, but there is the ability for us to bring flavor into the design and think about all the different ways that can evoke an emotion. You know, as designers, as we begin to get into the creative process of what we create, don't underestimate the power of all 5 senses within this. And don't forget that we have so many tools at our disposal to evoke an emotional response, like that guy.